Hi guys, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking up some easy beer-batted ostrich bites. Ostrich meat is super lean and healthy and actually tastes very similar to beef. Let's start by making our batter. Grab one large mixing bowl and add flour to it. Then add onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, and salt to the bowl. Now crack in one egg. Then we're going to pour 1 can of the Deschutes Fresh Squeezed Indian Pale Ale IPA. Now mix all of your ingredients and your batter should start to form and thicken. It should start to look like this. Now while we let that rest for 20 minutes, we're going to start cutting up our ostrich meat. Cut your ostrich meat into bite-sized pieces and make sure you cut against the grain. Next, we're going to season it with salt and pepper, and then make sure you go ahead and rub that in. Next, grab a wok and fill it with olive oil, and then put it over medium-high heat. Once the olive oil is hot enough, we can begin frying. Grab your ostrich pieces, dip them in the batter, and then put them in the oil. Fry each ostrich bite for about 10 minutes, 5 minutes on each side, and flipping halfway through. Once your ostrich bites are done, pull them from the oil and place them on a plate or cooling rack with a paper towel to soak up the excess oil. And we're done! Now you have delicious beer-battered ostrich bites that are tender and crunchy. Feel free to pair with your own condiment of choice. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today, and like and share this recipe. If you want the full recipe, get the link down below. Subscribe to join our flock here at AOF, and until next time, happy cooking.